We've just completed another project and here's the customer. Hello?
Hi. Yes, we started the project. It took us 3 months to complete it. It was a great project. We had lots of challenges on the way because the utility companies not knowing whether some parts were theirs or not, but we managed to overcome them. We delivered the project on time. We overcome the issues by completing some of the forms and applications we had to do. But yeah, great result, and like I said, on time.
Do you mind saying what project we did?
Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Basically, we had an extension to the rear of the house, and we wanted to extend into the old conservatory area, knock that down, and then build past the old kitchen. So we basically increased our foothold in the internal space we had, which now balances it out with the rest of the house. We need to lay new foundations. We needed to have the floor raised. Well, actually, it was a hollow floor, so we had to build up from it. And yeah, it was interesting and challenging, but we did do it. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.